Good morning everybody. In the previous class we discussed about sequence, types of sequence. Today we discuss about bounded sequence. So before going to bounded sequences, we know about bounded above sequence. Bounded above sequence. Bounded above sequences. Bounded above sequence is a sequence. A sequence xn is said to be bounded above sequence if there existed real number capital K such that xn is less than or equal to capital K for all n belongs to n. A bounded above sequence is a sequence which is if there exists a real number K, such that xn should be, and that means all the terms of the sequence xn should be less than or equal to that K. Here for all n belongs to natural numbers. Here capital K is called as upper bound of the sequence. That is the highest value in the sequence, called upper bound of the sequence. Upper bound of the sequence. I will give an example for this one. Minus n. Sequence, if you give n belongs to your natural numbers, you have to give value for n is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. That will be continued. I know the last, I don't know the value of last value. If it has n it will give minus infinity, but I don't know that value. Here the sequence should be, xn should be, suppose xn here less than or equal to minus 1. Either the values of, here the values are decreasing. Therefore xn should be less than or equal to minus 1. Xn here is minus 1. Therefore your values are decreasing values. In the next classes you are going to know what is if it is a decreasing, what is a monotonically decreasing sequence. I will explain in the next class. So xn here less than or equal to minus 1. Therefore minus 1 is called as the upper bound of the, that is the greatest value. That means upper bound of the sequence means that is the greatest value in the given sequence. Compared to minus 1, all other values are low. That means ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ. minus 1 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ minus 1 ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ minus 1 ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್. Similarly we go for bounded below sequence. Bounded below sequence. A sequence xn is said to be bounded below sequence if there exists a real number small k such that xn is greater than or equal to small k for all n belongs to n. Here k is called the lower bound. K is called lower bound of the sequence. ಸೊ ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದು. ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಬೌವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಬೌವ್ ಅಂದರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬಿಲೋ ಹೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಯಾವುದು ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಕ್ಸೆನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು sequence n. It implies that 1 comma 2 comma it will be continue like this. Your xn should be ಏನಾಗಿದೆ xn value 1 2 3 ಅಂದರೆ xn ಏನಾಗಿದೆ greater than or equal to 1. 1 is the least value here, therefore 1 is called as the lower bound. LB means lower bound. So ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬಿಲೋ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ is said to be a sequence xn is said to be bounded below sequence if there exists a real number small k such that xn is greater than or equal to k for all n belongs to n. So ಅಂದರೆ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಲೋಯರ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂತ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬಿಲೋ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Here one is called as the lower bound. In the previous definition bounded above sequence, that sequence is called as a ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಬೋವ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಲೋಯರ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ now we move on to bounded sequence. You already know about bounded below sequence and bounded sequence. It is a very simple definition. So a sequence is said to be bounded if it is, very simple definition, if it is bounded above and bounded below. Both ಎಸ್ ಎ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಬೋವ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬಿಲೋನೂ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಓವರ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅದರ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ xn is said to be, it says bounded, a sequence xn is bounded if there exists a two real numbers small k and capital K such that small k means minimum value, capital K means maximum value. Small k is less than or equal to xn, so capital K for all n belongs to n. ಒಂದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೂಡ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, sequence xn is equal to sequence 1 by n, that means 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 we get up to intention including, that is 0. Here the maximum value is 1, minimum value is 0. Therefore here xn ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, xn should be less than or equal to 1 and it should be greater than is equal to 0. This 1 is the upper bound, 0 is the lower bound. ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಯರ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ xn ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಬೋವ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್. therefore the given sequence xn is bounded sequence. ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಬೋವ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬಿಲೋನು ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. this type of sequence is called as bounded sequence. Here only we can see the least upper bound and greatest lower bound, that is infimum and supremum. Supremum means least upper bound. So least upper bound means a real number n is said to be supremum supremum or least LUB means least upper bound if it can satisfy two conditions. Xn should be less than or equal to m. The sequence n determine ಆಗಬೇಕು. That should be less than or equal to m for all n belongs to n. ಅಂದರೆ less than or equal to ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನು upper bound. ಇದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ upper bound. upper bound ಅಂದರೆ maximum value ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. least upper bound ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಮತ್ತೆ there exists a second condition for all epsilon greater than 0 there exists at least one term xk such that one term exist ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತದೋ xk should be greater than m minus epsilon. If you subtract some value from upper bound xk should be greater than m minus epsilon. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ greater than m minus epsilon. So that is called least upper bound of the sequence. We can also represent that is m minus epsilon is less than xn which is less than or equal to m minus epsilon ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ xn is the value of xk. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ these two conditions satisfy ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ m, then we say that is a least upper bound. If you want example for this least upper bound 1 plus 1 by n that is equal to 2 comma 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2 so on. So the sequence, what happens here, sequence xn ಏನಾಗಿದೆ maximum value ಯಾವುದು 2, xn is less than or equal to 2. This is the upper bound. What is the least upper bound here? xn, we can say that xn is less than the other upper bounds are 3, 4, 5x. We can also say that xn is less than or equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also upper bounds. But the least upper bound here is 2. Therefore, this is called least upper bound of the sequence. I will once again repeat. Supremum is a real number m is said to be a supremum or least upper bound if it satisfies two conditions. Xn is less than or equal to m for all n belongs to m. For all epsilon greater than 0 there exists at least one term xk such that xk is greater than m minus epsilon. M minus epsilon is less than xn less than or equal to m. This type of numbers are called as the least upper bound of a given sequence, or we call it as a supremum. So next we move on to infimum of the sequence. Next we move on to infimum. Infimum, that is greatest lower bound. A real number L is said to be infimum, greatest lower bound if first one greatest lower bound ಆಗಿದೆ xn should be ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು less than or equal to L for all n belongs to n. So second one, there exists xk such that xk should be greater than or less than xk should be greater than or equal to xn L plus epsilon. That is L is less than or equal to xk which is less than or is equal to L plus 1. So two condition lower bound ಅಂದ್ರೆ least value ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ xn ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು greater than or equal to L ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ for very small value epsilon, for each epsilon greater than there is a positive integer xk such that xk is less than L plus epsilon, that is L is less than or equal to xk which is less than or equal to L plus epsilon. For example 1 by n, that is 1 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3 up to 0. Okay, here xn is greater than or equal to 0. 0 ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಇದೆ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಲ್ ನಂಬರು. therefore this is called the upper bound of the lower bound of the sequence. ಇದನ್ನ ಲೋಯರ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲೋಯರ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, xn is equal to greatest lower bound. Lower bounds are -1, -2, -3. So greatest lower bound here is 0 only. So this is called as a infimum. So we are already familiar with the sequence, and today we discuss about bounded sequence. What is a bounded above, bounded below, and infimum and supremum. Thank you. In the next class we discuss about limit of a sequence.